Morning, good afternoon, good evening. So you're welcome back to class. So today is the day 34 of our Excel work hour, and in today's class we're also going to be learning some other functions aside the ones we've learned before. So in case you are just joining us, you are welcome to this channel Learn with Kowi. My name is Kowi ACG. I'm a data analyst and I'm also a data analysis instructor. So and this is a class we've embarked on in the last 33 days, in which we will learn different things on Microsoft Excel. So in case you are just joining us, you can catch up with the previous classes on my YouTube channel Learn with Scobie. So we have a playlist for the Excel work hour, and I can tell you, if you can go to it, it's something we really appreciate yourself for, and we really thank yourself for taking this bold step of learning with me. Now, so in today's class, we want to learn another thing in that function. What is it for? It's called what? Random function. Yes. So it for what? We use it to populate different figures. Exactly. But we now have three of these figures. Yeah, we have three of these functions, and we're going to be touching each of them. Each of them we are going to be touching. Exactly. So we have the rand. Let me let's see, I can just type it here. We have the rand. We have the rand array. We have the rand array, and we have the rand between. Now let me start. So how do we use all these functions? This is how we use them. This is how we use them. So first, this equals to rand between. Let me start from rand between. See this rand between. What is it going to do? What rand between is going to do for you? That it will help you to what? Populate different figures. Exactly. Within two range you've given to it. Yes. It will populate different figures within what? Two date two figures you've given to it. Now, so I said yes, you can say I want from 2 to to 90. You can see it. Now, if you continue dragging down like this, it's going to continue what? But the only issue is that what, if you click on this like this, so this is how to use what rand between. Exactly. Now the only issue is that what, it cannot give you what decimal. It cannot give you decimal. Exactly. But once you continue, no matter how much you continue scrolling down, the number is not going to exceed 90. It's not going to go below what? 2. I think 2 is our limit. Yes, we set 2 as our limit. It can never give you 0. No matter how much. No matter how much. No matter how much. It can never give what? 0. And it can never give what? More than 90. Exactly. It will be between 2 to 90. That means it will be between what? 3 to 89. Exactly. Now the next one we want to get now is this, is that what? We want to use it, this rand array. How does rand array works? You see, equals to rand array. Now this is really talking. Let us do rand first. Yes. How does rand works? Rand, the way it works is what? It's going to give you what? Let me even show you. It's going to give what? Returns a random number greater than 0, greater than or is equals to 0 and less than 1. So that means this one is going to give what? Decimal what? Figures. Exactly. Let me just say probability, yes. The probability is between what? Is 0 to what? To 1. Exactly. Now, so that's what RAND is going to do for you. Okay. Now, and the number is not going to exceed 1, then it will be what? Just from 0 to what? From 0 to 1. Exactly. So just open and close like this. Enter. Now, this is one of the issue with RAND function. Now, if you notice, as once I click on enter like this, I'm coming. Let me just drag this so down now. You notice all these figures are going to be changing. So it's also what? Volatile. You see that what? It keeps changing. I see that that is one of the issue. It's a volatile what? Function. It's going to continue calculating. Once you do enter and press enter like this, it's going to what? You calculate again. Exactly. So this one is for what? Rand between. rand between. This one is what? Rand array. Can you see it? We're going to continue. It's going to keep calculating. So that means you just need some figures in a particular rule and you don't want to go through the stress of typing it. You can just use your rand and it's going to get what you want. Rand between. Exactly. So now, how does this rand array works? Rand array. Now this rand array is going to give us an array of what numbers. That is just it. Now what do you mean? Because to rand array. Now it's asking for how many rows I want. Let me tell it I want 4 rows. Now I see what you want to do. You can see it's populated with 4 figures for me. And also this rand array, okay, now don't worry. Ordinarily, if I do not supplement for it, most times it gives a decimal. Exactly. Most times it will not give it anything. It's going to give what? Decimal. Exactly. But this one is ordinary rand. I'm not making mistake. Sorry. This one is ordinary rand. No. So let me come back here again. And I say okay, 4 rows are B. Then I say what? I want 3 columns. I say it, I want 3 columns. Now can you see that? So it's giving me 4 rows and 3 columns. So it's going to be populating with in form of what? In form of array for you exactly. Now the next thing I will now say is that okay, don't stop there. I want my minimum value to be, let me see, my minimum value to be 4 and see. So sorry. Minimum value to be 4, then this should be what? 10. Now can you see that what? It's still going to what? So one thing about time that is it's going to give you what? Decimal. Can you see it? And once I give it what my minimum value, I must supply what my max. If not, it's going to be throwing error. Exactly. So that is how it works. And you can see that it also what keeps iterating like that. So can you see it? It keeps changing. How this clear to every one of us? Rand is going to give what whole number between what two numbers. Rand is going to give you between what is 0 to 1. Rand array is going to give you what a decimal point based on what the number of rows and columns you said you want, and based on what your minimum and maximum set value. But it's going to be what decimal number. I hope you've been able to learn something new today. And tomorrow, by God's grace in class, we are going to be learning some other things. So don't forget, if you want to join the webinar, message me. And also, if you want to join the webinar, please message me via my WhatsApp. And also, if you want to join our WhatsApp community, you can also message me via that particular numbers. Exactly. And also, if you have interest in the October training, you can also message me as well. Exactly. So do have a nice day. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching. So have a nice day, everyone. Bye.